Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you're just tuning into this channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. So I just got back from Target and I thought I need to share this with you guys. So I just got this plant bed. It's called a plant bed. I just got this. It cost me about $73. This is what it's gonna be looking like here. They call it the raised garden. I call it the plant bed basically. So technically it comes with 6 packets of non-GMO herb and veggie seeds included in it. It can be used as either a tabletop or a raised bed garden. Yes guys, I just said let me do a quick review here. So here, this is the lid, which is the number 1 here, the lid, and here this is the planter box. Here, which is number 3, these tiny little ones, these are the removable short legs, and these long ones are the removable high legs. Here, this is the lid. Actually, it's a description. Here the lid has the ventilation holes with adjustable latches or latches, how do you call that? Here it has the insect protector. I'm super excited about this, guys. You don't understand. And you know, this is how my herbs and plants should look like. I can't wait to start this, guys. I even need to really open this and see what's gonna be looking like. However, I said it did come with plants. These are the plants that it comes with in here. It has basil, chives, cilantro, cucumber, peppers, tomatoes, and here it has the planter markers. So once I plant my basil on one side, I'll mark it with basil, mark as chives, mark as cilantro, cucumber, peppers, tomatoes. This is how it should be looking, guys. I'm super excited about this. I can't wait. I thought to just stop by and share this with you guys. And these are the seeds. It came with a pack of seeds. So I'm gonna be planting this weekend. I will take you guys along. I need to go get myself some more manure fertilizer. So once I do that, I will be taking you guys on the complete journey, and we'll be on this journey together, guys. I'm super excited because this is going to be my own first project in terms of gardening, so you guys should please stay tuned, okay? Okay guys, so here I'm ready to plant. These are all the seeds. I have tomato, pepper, and all the other seeds that came along with the plant bed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this cardboard that's attached to it. Actually, I'm taking instructions from my mom. She's out here, she's helping me as well. I can't do this on my own, guys, trust me. If not only me, it's another story. So those are the legs, that's the cover, and then this, the bed itself. So that's an opening. You can drill for water, extra water to come out of the bed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this so you guys can see, okay? So just come along with me. So I actually did think I was doing this right, but I wasn't. My mom had to help me. Guys, 2 heads are always better than one. And after all, my mom is a farmer, so she's better at stuff like this. So this is my manure that I did have from last year. I'm gonna be making use of this. Okay guys, so here as you can see I've changed my gloves. I was using a different gloves. That's because I had to rush to the store because the first manure that I did have was not enough, so I had to go back to the store to go get more manure. And here it is. I added more because it was so small, it wasn't even enough. So I went back to Lowe's, I went to get more manure, and then I bought some gloves, proper garden gloves. So you guys see I'm putting the water in carefully because we haven't drilled the bed yet, so I'm trying to be very careful so we don't have excess water, because if there's excess water it's not going to be good. So I have to be very careful with the way I put my water. That's why I'm doing this, guys. I mean, I've never even done this before, but I still need to be careful so we don't have excess water. So right here my mom is cutting out the, what do you call these things again, the tags, the name tags. So once I plant anything I'll be able to name tag it. It's very helpful, guys. So now it's time to plant. I'm super excited about this area, this aspect. I have never done this before, guys. This is my first time and I really can't wait to see it. Just for those of you that are curious, this planting is happening early April, so I'm just, I don't know when I'm gonna upload the video, but anytime I upload the video, this planting happened in April. So very soon I'll be giving you guys updates on how far my plants have gone, what happened, and which ones survived, which ones didn't survive, which I pray everything survives. When we plant, we pray that it yields fruit, Abby. So this is it, guys. I am done. If you've been watching up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy the rest of the day. I'll bring you guys more updates, okay? Bye.